Yeah, here's one of the guys. He can tell you I'm okay. All right. Here, hold on. You want to call your mother or something?
You gotta get back from here. You know that. You gotta get back.
All right. Don't worry about me. You need to make calls right now. All right.
The 4-1 should have taken a couple of companies that they were leaving back to us that were stuck in the tunnel. So that, they might be busy doing that.
Go against another. Hours after the attack, many smaller explosions rumbled through downtown.
At Ground Zero, running in the streets is the only form of escape. But on those same streets, the chaos and vibrations couldn't be avoided.
Keep your eye on that building as they coming down.
Building is about to blow up. Moving back.